Hello my planner pals and welcome back, and if you're new here then thank you for joining me and giving me a try. My name is Di, I am here at Creative Comedy Design and we are doing a stash budget update, and it's been, let's just face it, it's been Black Friday. It's been Cyber Monday. Technically Cyber Monday was in December, so I'm not counting that, but I'm going to share with you what I've bought in November, and heads up, it's not that much because I don't include tools. I'm going to show you the tools, but I don't include tools in this. I'm thinking more papers and, there's a word I'm looking for here, like disposable type things. Disposable? Is that a word? It's a word. Is it the right word? I don't know. So yes, we're going to have a budget update. So here is everything that I bought in November, and they were all on sale. So first up, thinking of tools, the Cricut stuff was like 50% off pretty much everywhere. I bought the engraving tip and the knife blade. So again, bought these 50% off. So they're tools, I don't count them as part of my budget. But I'm looking forward to really exploring in 2025 everything that my Cricut can do, because I think taking this December daily prep for my project that I'm doing and seeing that I can cut vinyl, I can cut felt, I can do all the things, I can cut all the things. So I'm hoping that each month I will do a video where I show you everything that I've created that month and then share some tips and stuff along the way, making the mistakes so you don't have to. All right, the next thing, and this is part of the December daily stuff. I was doing one of my December daily things that I shared Monday, ? And I wanted red embroidery floss and I didn't have any. So rather than go out and just buy one thing, I want to say the word skein. Is that the right word? One thing for like 60 cents. I got a pack of 50 for $6 because, again, this is something that I want to do more of, and I would just rather have the colors that I want in the shades and stuff. So yeah, I got embroidery floss. Again, it's more of a tool, right? Because you're using it for, yeah, whatever. Speaking of tools, one of the other things that I got for December daily, I wanted the white Posca paint pen, and the white Posca paint pen was literally like $6. I got this set for $12 in the Black Friday sale. So I'm just like, I might as well just do that. I am including those as part of my crafting budget. This I got from Michael's. It is literally just foil cardstock. It was $3.50 for 25 sheets. Apparently I'm using a lot of gold on my December daily, so, oh look, hi. So I was like, rather than just having a fake gold, I'll just buy this. And then I'm happy I did, because look at how well these match. Oh, it can't, too much, okay, whatever. These were from Amazon, and there's 318, they're like 2-inch letters and numbers. And punctuation. So I'm like, yes, yes, yes. Because again, I'm using this for December daily. Did I buy a sticker book? Yes, I did. This is one I've had my eye on for a while. It's the Cheerful Seasons. It's just a seasonal book with decor, few boxes. I just figured it would be good for my monthlies. You know that I like my monthlies to be seasonal. I don't know why, I just do. So I picked it up. It was like $9 or something in the sale. So yeah. And then finally, that is here. I have one package that isn't here. I have these. These were on sale at Michael's. They were $8. And you know that I'm doing stamping in my journal. And I'm like, yes, because I get the uppercase, the lowercase, I get punctuation, and then I got like the typewriter set, uppercase, lowercase, and punctuation. I'm so excited about these. So excited about these. So that was the extent of my shopping. That was the extent of my shopping. I did get myself, you can't see it here, but I got myself a rug for my office, just a grey rug that has a dog on it right now. But I got a rug for my office that, if I remember, I will put a photo in here. Let me just go do that now. And then I got myself a new second planner cart. My plan is that I put all of my, firstly, December daily stuff on one of them. And that will be more art projects. Like my watercolor stuff could go on there and stuff like that. So that would be more arts, and then the other one would be more planners. That's the plan. And then I got myself a new camera mount, but this camera that you can't see, but I can see. Because I remember I said in my office sharing, craft room space sharing video that I wanted to put a shelf on and pegboard and have a different camera mount. I found one. I'm hoping it will carry the weight of my DSLR, which will mean the sound quality will improve because I can use my external mic. Cross all your fingers for me that it can carry the weight. So that was it. That was the extent of my Black Friday shopping. So the only real thing that I'm counting are these. That's $6. That for $10, and these for $12. The rest is stuff that I really needed, or like replacements. I'm considering the embroidery flosser replacement because I did have red and green and all the colors at one point, and I just don't have them now. And then the stamps and the Cricut stuff are tools. So we're only counting these. All right, so that is that. I'm happy with my purchases. Of course, I could have just gone hog wild, but I have one more thing coming from Studio Calico. I bought some stamps and a kit from Studio Calico. Now, the bad news is that this is only the stuff that I've used. Fully used. And it's mostly because I've been using pattern paper and stuff like that. Like I've been using other stuff. Or I'm just taking a sticker off an odd sheet here and there. I've not really done a great job, to be honest, of using my stash this month. 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then a little thing and 2 rolls of washi tape. 2 rolls of washi tape. Really happy about that. So yeah, that is my budget update. If you are not on my Patreon, then just so that you know, we are going to do stash busting challenges in 2025. Deep stash busting challenges in 2025. All right, so that is all the stuff that I bought in November, aside from the Studio Calico kit, which is going to get pushed into December. Also in December, I'm going to be buying the Ali Edwards One Little Word class and kit and stuff. That doesn't count to my budget because I already said at the beginning of the year that that was not going to count because it's something that I do every year. And it says, does not include One Little Word, album, inserts, and class. But everything else will count. Everything else will count. And one of the things that I'm getting from Studio Calico is also related to my word for 2025. So yeah, that is my haul. Let me know down below how you're doing. Did you get any good bargains from Black Friday? Yeah, let me know down below. I hope you're doing okay. And I will see you next time, my planner pals. Bye.